Hello everyone, my name is Toka McBaror, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please go right down there and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button so that you'll be notified when next we post a video. Alright, let's go straight into the topic of the day. We're talking about lighting and lighting design. So many people make that simple mistake of thinking that it is the responsibility of the gaffer to help you design your light. When we say lighting design, we make it sound complicated, but this is very simple and straight. Lighting design means how you put the light, where to put the light. Yes, it's 3-point lighting, but sometimes you need to go a little further to put in some extra work, put in some extra little lights here and there, practical lights, and you'll be home and dry. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is what I call maybe practical lighting. One of the examples is that light over there. Now, if you turn off that light, can somebody turn it off for me? Turn off that light. If you turn off that light, I think it's at the back. The man is too big, so he can't fit in. Okay, he has turned it off. Move away. Just by turning off the light, the picture has changed. But that light is not affecting my skin directly because the light on me is still the same, but it has changed the environment and how your picture looks. So that is how important practical lights are. So don't take it for granted. Don't light your images alone and think it's okay to do that. Let's turn the light back on. So that's how important these little details are. Now, if you are shooting in a room, say the room is completely black, maybe it's completely dark, and you light only this image, you can't tell how big the room is. So sometimes you use these practical lights to be able to measure the space so that if I'm watching it, I'll be able to understand how big or how small that space is. Because I tell you, if you light only what you want the people to see, especially if everywhere is dark, you are not going to get it right. Now, one other thing that we do that I have issues with is when you have art directors. We'll talk about art direction, we'll talk about production design going forward, but art directors are not responsible, or in a way they're responsible for this kind of lights, those practical lights you put all around. But that means they have to work with the gaffer, they have to work with the cinematographer, because the cinematographer may want a different kind of light, maybe a different color of light, and your art director or your gaffer will provide something else. So there must be that synergy between everybody on set. That's how important it is. Now, let me say this. As a new filmmaker, because we're talking about us, we the freshers, we that don't know what's up. As a new filmmaker, you may not have the opportunity, you may not have the cable to be able to run the lights on the whole street, to put some practical lights to make it look good. There's something called fire. It's free for everyone. So when I'm shooting outdoors, I'm shooting one of those epic movies, I love to light fires because they just help you look good. When you have one other light sitting somewhere far away, it just helps your picture somehow. So don't be deceived that practical lights are not good for you. They are, except if you're talking about something else. Maybe you're not using electricity in the film, maybe in that time there's no electricity, or you're saying in that, maybe in your script there's no electricity. But if you have electricity, try everything possible. Even if it's 100 watts bulb, even if it's 30 watts, if it adds something called light to your picture, not necessarily on the image, don't fail to add it. I shot a movie sometime in 2005-06, I'm not sure. We had only one light, we had only one bulb, and I wanted backlight. I wanted everything that I'm supposed to have. So I got a lot of fire. We will go into people's farms, get the dry grasses, light it on fire and just put it somewhere. Then point camera to the image. And it came out really good. I will still do that today because sometimes those little things is what makes you special. I remember that time we got nominated for Best Visual Effect in AMA Awards. I won Best Cinematography at Zafar Awards in the UK at the time. That was in 2008. So I'm telling you this for free. Lighting design is something you can sit down, look at your location, look at what you have, and say, okay, I'm going to use just the key light. The backlight I don't have. How will I improvise to be able to measure space and time? Okay, I'll push this here, I'll push that there. You need to do that. So it's a conscious thing. Don't just put it at the back of your mind that they say it's 3-point lighting. Okay, let me light my image at 3-point. And after that, I'm good to go. No, it doesn't work that way. Think about other things that make your set beautiful. Think about other little lights you can add here and there that will make your set come out properly. And that is what makes you different. Well, my name is Toka. If I've added anything to you, if I've been of any kind of help to you, please go down, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button so that when we post the next video, you'll be right there. We'll be talking about set design, we'll be talking about art direction, we're talking about a lot so that we can get to the finish line of this video, of this series. Thank you very much. My name is Toka. Goodbye.